Hi.
Good morning, guys. So, me and Xander finished off the wheels and everything yesterday, and we completely forgot to shoot the video. So we're shooting it real quick this morning before we venture onto other things. So this is new beauty ring, old center cap, new wheel, new tire. Great, not a problem. I think it looks really, really good. One of the options for back in the 70s was the ribbed center cap, new beauty ring, new wheel. So, I mean, what do you want to do? Do you want to go with the ribbed ones like that? Or do you want to go back to what you have on the car? We're kind of torn because we like both, but what do you want to do? At some point, Bobby will ship you the video so that you can see this and let us know. I mean, it's going to be a quickie one because we've got other things we got to do today. But let us know. Do you want to stay with the old center cap or do you want to go with the new center cap? We'll leave it up to you. But on that one, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, people of all ages, hasta mañana.